Hey there to all the fans of monster truck racing. Today, we will see the performance and race of two hot rides. But first, let's take a look at the racetrack. Our racers will have to overcome different obstacles like pyramids, cones, cubes, cylinders, and even balls. At the end, they will meet up with a springboard that they have to jump over. Well, here they are, the Fire Monster Truck and the Monster School Bus. Awesome! The monster trucks are ready to start. Go! Here is the first obstacle, the pyramids. The Fire Monster Truck is breaking into the lead. Cones are up next. Wow! This school bus is really fast too. And next up we have the cylinders. Oh no! The school bus has gotten stuck. Our racers are going stride for stride with each other. Unbelievable! School bus has won the first race, yeah! But there are two more left. Monster trucks, on your mark, go! And the Fire Monster Truck is taking the lead right out of the gate. He passes the cones, cubes, and cylinders. Nice. Ooh, the school bus is dragging behind. Oh no! The last jump, here it comes. Yeah! Fire truck is the first to hit it this time. This has been a really cool race, but who's going to be the winner? Go, 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 monster trucks! Here comes the final lap. The school bus is taking the lead, but he crashes into a cube! Be careful! I see that the Fire Monster Truck is catching up to the school bus. Who's crossed the finish line first? They pass the balls, and the Fire Monster Truck is rocketing forward. Awesome jump! And he is the winner of the race today. Super! Hey there to all the fans of monster truck racing. Today, we will see the performance and race of some super hot riders. The Monster Trucks team versus the Fire Monster Trucks team. Who's gonna win this exciting race? All monster trucks are ready to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Such high jumps! Unbelievable! Be careful out there, monster trucks! The monster truck has lost his balance. What's happened? Springboard is up ahead. The blue monster truck is taking the lead. Oh. monster truck team has lost another racer. Other monster trucks continue the race. Our racers pass through the pyramids, cones, cubes, cylinders, and balls. This is the final lap, and in a moment, we will have our winner. Super! The blue monster truck has won the race. Congratulations. Hello, everyone, and thank you all so much for coming to visit me today. Today, we are welcoming all you fans of monster truck racing out there. Today, you're going to bear witness to a real battle. Police monster trucks versus the evil monster trucks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Who's gonna win this crazy race? The police monster truck is taking the lead right out of the gate, but the evil monster truck is not about to let this goody two-shoes copper get up ahead. But look! Oh, one of the monster trucks from the evil team is about to lose his balance, and he flips over! I bet he had it coming. But the race goes on. The police monster truck is still up in the lead. Awesome! But here comes a sharp turn up ahead. Oh no! One of the trucks from the police car team has rolled over too! Incredible! The school bus has won the first race. Oh yeah. The finish line is very close. And the police monster truck finishes first. He crosses the line. You guys have won. Super! Whew, that was exciting, but it is time to say goodbye. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon with a lot more cool monster truck races up ahead.